CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.1 Explain fundamental security concepts and frameworks. AAA. In this video, I will break down the concept of AAA into its three core components: authentication, authorization, and accounting. But, before I define these three components, I want to talk about AAA as it relates to the previously discussed topic of CIA. In the realm of information technology, both AAA and CIA are foundational concepts, but they focus on different aspects of security. While CIA is all about the data, AAA is centered around the user. AAA, as a user-centric approach to security, ensures that the right individuals have the right access at the right times. On the other hand, CIA is data-centric. It ensures that data remains private, accurate, and is accessible when needed. In essence, while AAA focuses on verifying and managing user identities and their actions, CIA is dedicated to safeguarding the data itself. Hopefully this little explanation keeps you from getting these two concepts mixed up. Next, I will define each component of the AAA concept, starting with authentication. Imagine you're trying to log into your computer. The system asks for your username and password. Why? It wants to verify that you are who you claim to be. In IT terms, this process is called authentication. It's the act of confirming the truth of an attribute of a single piece of data or entity. In simpler words, it's like asking, "Who are you?" Next, we have authorization. Let's say you've entered a building using a key. However, this doesn't mean you can access every room inside. Some rooms might require a different key. Similarly, in IT, once you're authenticated, it doesn't mean you can access everything. Authorization determines what you can or cannot do. Lastly, there's accounting. In the IT world, this doesn't refer to crunching numbers or balancing the books. Instead, it's about tracking user activities and recording them. Think of it as a logbook or computer record that notes every action you take as a user, answering the question, "What did you do?" Together, the three pillars of authentication, authorization, and accounting make up the AAA security principle in the realm of information technology. Authentication verifies a user's identity, ensuring that individuals are genuinely who they claim to be. Once their identity is confirmed, authorization steps in to determine what actions or resources the user is permitted to access, ensuring that they only interact with what they're allowed to. Lastly, accounting meticulously tracks and records all user activities, providing a comprehensive log that can be reviewed for security, compliance, or audit purposes. Collectively, these components not only bolster security but also streamline user management and oversight in IT systems. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.